I have a proposition for you. It's about your future, and the baby's too.
Did we ever really stand a chance?
The other players have formed a team, and will target you and the baby in the next game.
Isn't that what you plan to amuse your masters until the end?
That's not true.
You want me to believe you'll help us?
Take this knife back to your quarters and kill them.
Why are you saying all this to me now?
Hello, Giyun. I'm sorry about Zhongbei. You want to kill me? Then go ahead. But I'm sure you know already. My death won't change a thing. They'll just announce a new leader. And the game will continue as planned. Player 456. Do you still have faith in people?